Alright guys, so I am doing a video. This is a GE Arctica. And the problem with it is sorry about that. If you look at the display, you're going to see that HRS is just a flashing light. What that's telling you is there's a problem. Either normally it's not the control board, could be if you have a short on the control board and it stops the fan from working. So that's your evaporator fan back there, and that fan has shorted, or someone put the wrong fan in it. So that's the problem with it. And the symptoms you'll be having, the lights will be on, everything seemed to be working except no compressor, nothing, just basically a dead refrigerator. So what you want to do, you want to unplug this harness, which is for the fan, and once this is unplugged, the unit should come back to life, except you'll have to replace the fan, obviously. Oh, just heard it. So the control now should be back to life. Yep, which it is. We're at